Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the detail option in Adobe Lightroom. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the develop section. As you can see, it has the develop section. So we have to click on the develop section. And after that, we need to go to the detail option. As you can see, here the detail option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, the all options are provided here. For example, I'm going to increase the amount. So let's increase some amount. And now as you can see, the radius is also provided here. If you want to increase the radius, I'm going to increase the radius and amount as well, little bit. As you can see, now the detail is also here if you want to increase the details. And the masking option is also provided here if you want to increase the masking. And as you can see, the luminance is also provided here. For example, I'm going to increase the luminance full. As you can see now, it's look like an AI image. So in this way, you can use the detail option. As you can see, these all options are provided here. You can control them. You can also write the direct value here. And if you don't want these, simply you have to hit the reset and all things will be removed. So in this way, you can use the detail option. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.